Welcome to my unboxing for the shirt of Ajax Amsterdam. It's the third shirt they have. It's a special shirt I did purchase at Minejerseys.com. It's shirt number 3 from Adidas, and it's done in the Rastafari look, meaning it's all black and the colors are in red, yellow and green, as well as the part on top with the 3 stripes. The logos as well, the sponsor and the logo from Ajax are completely in red. It's called the 3little bird shirt because this is a certain kind of homage to the famous song of Bob Marley, 3 Little Birds, and this is a non-official song of Ajax Amsterdam. So on the back it's completely black. You can see the color here also, the Rastafari, and the special element are the 3 birds here. So this is also done very nice. I like this style very much. You can see it's good quality. Also the stitches were perfect. Here the tag of the Adidas jersey. I said the stitch here is nicely done. It's also aero dry, so this is really made of perfect quality. And it's not the first shirt I did purchase there. Some others I did also order, but this is really a really beautiful version of a football shirt. So let's hope they will wear it often, even if the UEFA did say no, that Ajax is not allowed to use this shirt during the official games in the European leagues, but it's really a nice one.